In this video, I'll show you how to enable the virtual RAM or add an extra RAM to your phone on your TECNO CAMON 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Now, by default, this phone comes with 8 gigs of RAM, and if you want to extend that to set some virtual RAM, all you have to do is go into settings, and then under settings you want to tap on your name of your device, and then here you should see RAM. So tap on RAM, and now here you want to enable this option that is called MemFusion. So toggle that option on, and then you'll be asked to set the storage space to be converted, and you can select either 3 gigs, 5 gigs or 8 gigs. And once you do that, you'll be required to activate this particular option by restarting your device. So select activate and restart, and your phone is going to turn off and restart, having applied that particular additional virtual RAM. So wait for your phone to restart. And once your phone restarts, enter your PIN, password or pattern. And then now, if you go back to settings, tap on the name of your device at the top and select RAM. As you can see, it now has an extra 8 gigs of RAM space that is available. Now you can always come back here and change that if you want to reduce or reduce that, but that's basically how to do it. I hope this was useful. If it was, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Any questions or comments can be posted down below, and we'll get back to you. Until the next one, take care and God bless.